Next section, characteristics of a mentally healthy person. One, ability to accept themselves. Two, form close relationship. Three, ability to solve problems. 4. Accept strength and weaknesses. 5. Own personal identity. 6. Ability to enjoy life. 7. Independent in thought. 8. Feel responsibility. Nine. Open, friendly. 10. Job. Successfully support himself. 11. Able to get enough sleep. 12. Self-respect. 13. Able to own decision. 14. Emotional stability. 15. Daily routine, healthy way. 16. Positive attitude. 17. Able to correct reading. 18. Contact with reality. 19. Perform duty effectively. 20. Develop life philosophy. 21. Productive behavior. 22. Deal with stress and frustration. 23. Able to good relationship. 24. Able to show genuine. 25. Able to communicate. 26. Activity interesting to you. 27. Appreciate individual differences. 28. Determine personal value. 29. Enjoy life. 30. Do waste time. 31. Action according to own. 32. Consider others' feeling. 33. Do not feel distressed. 34. Organize their life. 35. Love other people. 36. Find inner peace. 37. Laugh lot, humor. 38. Look for solution. 39. Consistent set of value. 40. Involve themselves. 41. Express emotion and feeling. 42. Able to face new ideas. Primary characteristics of mentally healthy person. A. They feel good about themselves. B. They feel comfortable with other people. C. They are able to meet the demands of detail going on. A. They feel good about themselves. First, they are not overwhelmed by their own emotions. Fears, anger, love, jealousy, guilt or worries. 2. They can take life's disappointments in their stride. 3. They have a tolerant, easygoing attitude towards themselves as well as others, and they can laugh at themselves. 4. They neither underestimate nor overestimate their abilities. 5. They can accept their own shortcomings. 6. They have self-respect. 7. They feel able to deal with most situations. 8. They can take pleasure in simple, everyday things. B. They feel comfortable with other people. They are able to give love and consider the interests of others. 10. They have personal relationship that are satisfying and lasting. 11. They like and trust others and feel that others will like and trust them. 12. They respect many differences they find in people. 13. They do not take advantage of others nor allow others to take advantage of them. 14. They feel they can be part of a group. 15. They feel a sense of responsibility to fellow human beings. C. They are able to meet the demands of life. 16. They do something about their problems and they arise. 17. They accept their responsibilities. 18. They shape their environment whenever possible. They adjust it whenever necessary. 19. They try to plan ahead and do not fear the future. 20. They welcome new experiences and new ideas. 21. They use their talents. 22. They set realistic goals for themselves. 23. They are able to make their own decisions. 24. They put their best effort into what they do and get satisfaction from doing it. Look at this picture. Mental well-being model, 12 task. First task, sense of worth. Second, sense of control. 3. Realistic belief. 4. Emotional awareness. 5. Coping. 6. Problem solving. 7. Creativity. 8. Sense of humor. 9. Narrator. 10. Stress management. 11. Gender and cultural identity. 12. Self-care. Thank you. Have a nice day.